Tom Baloga, Vice President of Engineering US for BMW North America.
Tom, what do you got behind you?
Well, behind me is the all-new X6 hybrid. It's an active hybrid. It's a two-mode hybrid. And what that means is that you can have the power plant operate with the electric motor supplementing the gas engine, or the gas engine supplementing the electric motor. That's where the two-mode come in.
Still a nickel metal like all the other hybrids.
This one is going to be lithium-ion. This is lithium-ion.
This is lithium-ion?
Yes, yes. This will be lithium-ion battery technology.
Who's the provider of the battery?
Well, the provider of the battery hasn't been announced yet.
So it will be out next year?
This X6 active hybrid will be out at the end of this year.
Is the difference between the X6 regular internal combustion engine and the X6 hybrid on miles per gallon?
Well, the improvement in fuel economy is about 20%. So the result of the electric motor being used in conjunction with the electric power plant gives you about a 20% improvement.
Now, is that usually a savings in the city or on the highway?
Well, with any hybrid technology, typically the improvement in fuel economy is better in the city, and that's because you use regeneration more often. When you're driving on the highway, typically you're driving at a steady speed, so there's very little regeneration taking place. And that's really where the hybrid shines, is regeneration. When people are slowing down and they use the regeneration by lifting their foot from the accelerator and not using the brake, that energy is being put back into the battery in the form of electrical energy. So city driving is typically much better for regenerating a battery and better for range for a hybrid.
How much more will it cost than the regular X6 internal combustion engine?
Well, we haven't announced numbers yet.
Tom, you've got diesel, clean diesel. You've got a couple hybrids coming out. What do you have in the way of plug-in electric vehicles coming out?
Well, right now we have a learning program with our Mini E. And the Mini E is an all-electric, battery electric vehicle. We have about 500 of these vehicles in the United States, and they're part of a program that we have launched in order to get these vehicles in the hands of consumers and many others to get experience in the field, real-world experience with electric vehicles, and find out for ourselves what are the benefits, the limitations, the circumstances that we need to deal with in the future with battery electric vehicles. Is very important for us because diesel has substantially reduced our CO2 output for our fleet all over the world. We've just launched diesels in America in December of 2008, and we're very excited with the benefits that the diesel can deliver. For example, our fleet CO2 emissions in Europe is the lowest of any premium car manufacturer in Europe. And in fact, we're lower than some other manufacturers that sell many more small cars. So the diesel, with about 66–67% penetration in Europe, has done a tremendous job for improving fuel economy and lowering CO2 from the tailpipe.
Okay. Tom, thank you very much.